Minister. My name is Wati Talavutu. I'm 33 years of age. I hail from the beautiful island of Tokelau in Kambara in Laos. I also have maternal links to Laos in the beautiful island of Nayau. I have been nominated for the Fashion, Arts and Creativity category, Prime Minister's National Youth Awards. And my business, Creations 23, started back in 2008 when I decided to start my own business when I left the University of the South Pacific. As a young artisan, what inspires me to participate in the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards is my appreciation and love for traditional arts and culture. The one thing that has always bothered me was how traditional arts was constantly devalued and how there was some to no forum or platform to showcase or recognize the unique traditional designs and art. I have all the faith that traditional art and craft has the platform to be recognized and have value, considering it does not only require a great deal of time and energy to create, but also preserve the culture and custom for which we Fijians are known for. The Prime Minister's National Youth Awards is a remarkable initiative by the Fijian government to recognize youth's accomplishments and life skills. The program increases self-esteem, aspirations, and drive for learning. In a nutshell, it gives me the determination to persevere, and for this, I am grateful to the Almighty for giving me this talent, to my family for their continuing support, and to the government of the day for the initiatives as such that promote equal opportunity for my small business to be promoted. Thank you. My future plans for my business, Creations 23, is to be able to open a boutique in all the towns around Fiji, and also create employment to all the youths out there in the village. My message to the youths out there is to focus on your visions that you have, but first put God first in everything you do. Have a vision, set out your vision, always stay focused, never doubt on yourself, and always produce humanely. And to all the youths out there that are participating in the Prime Minister's National Youth Awards, I wish you all the best, and thank you very much.